In today's video, I'm using my favorite shade of blue and I'm going to be doing a mixed media technique. I have this dark blue-black from Atelier mixed up along with some grayish blue, white, and then I have my gold spray paint for a mixed media piece. I kept my paint a little bit thicker this time and it didn't really move as much as I wanted it to, so I'll probably use these colors again and thin it down even more. But I'm just starting out by adding that blue and gray to the canvas, and then, like I've done previously, just adding my gold spray paint. Once I finish adding my colors down, I'm going to start tilting it out and see what kind of pattern I can create with these colors. This blue is a really pretty shade. It is very, very dark, and I really like the way that it looks once it's all dry, and especially with the gold, it's just a really nice shade to work with. Once I had my paint down, I started tilting it out, and you can see it's thin enough that it's moving really well, but it's not blending together as much as I would have liked. But I do still like this piece and the way it turned out, and I do still really like these colors together. I like having the blue in one corner and the white in the other corner for some negative space in this one, and that gold really breaks apart and moves around really in a pretty pattern and design on with the acrylic paint. While you're doing this, you can keep adding or tilting off as much paint as you want to get the design that you want with this. When your paint is really nice and thin, it blends really well together, and that gold acrylic based spray paint is a really nice addition to these mixed media pieces. I kept tilting and adding some more paint and spray paint until I had a nice design that I really liked, and I just let this dry. It ended up drying really well with being on the thicker side. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you like these mixed media pieces, let me know what colors you would like to see in the future. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.